you guys. I'm gonna show you a short video on how I go about repairing a cast iron manifold. This is from a 73 model Lincoln Continental with the 460. This is the passenger side. As you can see, there's a nice little crack here. Usually this is caused by cars going through puddles when the engine is nice and crispy. And this is the result. Of course you couldn't see it because it had a heat shield and all that over it. He thought he just had an exhaust leak. This is an older car, so we did break 3 bolts pulling it off of the head, but they're still sticking out, so it's pretty easy to get them out. Anyways, I put 2 screws into the wood I have it sat on just so the manifold doesn't move around. I already kind of wire brushed the crack a little. I'm probably going to do a little bit more in this area and here, and probably a spot for my ground, but here we go. Being that it is cast iron, I am going to heat it. I have my torch right next to me. But other than that, I just like to get it real hot and then weld it while it's warm. Here we go. You just want to get this area nice and warm. There's many different ways to do this. This is just the way I've always done it. I've welded blocks, engine blocks, a lot of cast iron manifolds. This one's actually not that bad, being that it's not a hole. While we're waiting for this to warm up, just want to say this is probably one of the best drills I've ever bought. It's from Mac Tools. It's their 20 volt. I bought about 3 packs of their 60 volt batteries, and I put it on there, and that battery will last all day of steady drilling. They're brushless. You almost can't go wrong with them. And then the 3-year warranty that Mac offers that you can't get with buying a DeWalt like at Home Depot. So just saying, if Mac Tools wants to sponsor me, my toolbox is full of your stuff, especially the impact tools and all electronic tools. starting to get a little warm. I'll probably speed this process up a little bit. It does take a little while. Alright, we'll give that a go. y'all for watching. As always, like, subscribe, please share. Thank y'all.